Hello, my name is Hannah Rangel, and today is May 1st, 2022, and this is speech number 1 for my Computer Science 120 class. Today, my speech will be about Microsoft, specifically Xbox, and how they involuntarily called to my Christian faith by being socially responsible and helping a group in need. So in 2018, Xbox, who is under Microsoft, created controllers for people with physical disabilities to use. Not only did Xbox computer science team make a controller that was adaptive for people with physical disabilities, but they also had their marketing team come and ask people with physical disabilities questions, and one of the questions about it was that they wanted the packaging to be easier to open. And we all know that packaging can be hard to open, especially with those zip ties and all those crazy things, especially on, Barbies and stuff. But Xbox went above and beyond to hear the people's needs that they were, focusing on. And they created not just a controller, they created a personal buying experience for people with physical disabilities. So this is important not only to people of Christian faith, but to everybody. This just shows that our world is trying to become more inclusive to people that are not like the rest of us, who can get into a car accident and be paralyzed, or who are born with disabilities. So this calls to humanity in general, especially that it's so late in coming out with a controller like this, but it's here. And Xbox created their controller is called a game your way, and it's an adaptive controller, so it's a unified hub for devices. So it's pretty much like a square box with like 2 pads and stuff that you can plug in. So a joystick or things to make it easier for people with physical disabilities to play a video game. So this hub supports switches, buttons, mounts to create a custom experience for each unique gamer. So not every single person with a physical disability has the same disability. So they made it to where anybody with a physical disability can use that hub adaptively to suit their needs. So this controller actually was developed with charities and people with physical disabilities to make it more inclusive to what their needs are, so that not one person feels left out. What Xbox created should represent all of people's call to faith, or Christian people's call to faith. People were struggling, enjoying something that they didn't have before, and this just made it easier for them to feel inclusive and to feel quote unquote normal in today's world. So what I spoke about today was Xbox helping physical disabled people find some joy in playing video games, and to have that experience be a part of their lives when it used to not be able to. And this controller, again, is like a hub, and it's adaptive for everybody's needs, or that can come with a joystick or buttons or mounts, whatever they need to make their gaming experience more comfortable. And this Christian call to faith is just being inclusive to people, making people feel like they shouldn't miss out on something that gives them joy in life. Thank you.